So if you're that person trying to fit in with the popular kids by switching up your personality or changing yourself as a person, then you need to listen to this video. Now everyone wants to be the popular kid because I remember when I grew up, I saw the popular kids. It looked like they had the perfect high school life. Everyone loved the popular kids, and all the girls, they would just talk about them, and everyone would just bring up what they do. They would just be like, oh, he's doing this, he's doing that, that's so cool. All the attention they were getting, like, it made me want to become very popular. They will go on these hangouts and these insane parties. I will not get invited to them, but there were so many different types of popular kids. You had the athletes, you had like the handsome ones or the pretty girls, and you had the loud and funny ones, and they came in so many different ways. Like, they were popular and well known in the school. But believe me, like, I just want to tell you that being popular, it's not what it seems like. It's not this perfect life that everyone thinks that these popular kids have. Honestly, it's overrated. If you're not popular, then you don't have to worry at all, because that is not gonna affect or determine who you become as a person. Because popularity is a thing that only exists in high school. Like, once you get into the real world, once you're out in the workplace or in a new environment outside of school, no one cares about how popular you were in high school. Like, no one cares if you were the captain of the football team, or no one cares if you dated this beautiful girl during high school. Like, when you go off into the real world, you can be a whole new different person. No one will remember, or nobody will care about what you did in high school. You only feel this way because you were probably influenced by social media or movies that all the popular kids had everything that anyone could ever ask for. And maybe you yourself, you were bullied by the popular kids and feel like, oh, being popular is the only way to escape the bullying. You have to become popular yourself just so that you feel like your life has some kind of value to escape the bullying or to escape the shame. But it's really not how it works. The truth is that most of the attention you get from popularity, it's very shallow and surface level. Like, think about it. Imagine if you yourself were the popular kid because you were either very good looking or you were just a cool dude. People would only want to be friends with you since you were only good looking or cool. If you were a popular kid, then people would only want to be friends with you because you were popular, because it will make them even more popular. Do you really want that kind of fake connection where a person is only friends with you because they can benefit from you? They can hang out around you to make themselves cooler? And let's be honest, if you are popular, like, the quote-unquote friends that you have that are close with you because you're popular wouldn't even care if things goes wrong for you. Like, be honest, would those people ever stand up for you? They probably wouldn't. The reason I know this is because I have some friends who were the popular kids in high school, and they would even tell me that sometimes they feel down in life and they just want to feel happy and feel appreciated for who they were. Deep down in their minds, they had this empty void which they had to fill it with the attention from other people, and that attention, they got it from being popular. Yes, even the popular kids do have times where they don't feel happy in life, which is just like every single one of us. Alright, it's human nature. We want what we cannot have. So stop viewing popularity as this thing that you need to have, because it is not going to cure all your internal problems. Because the attention you get from being popular is only short term. You cannot cure what you lack internally with external validation. So instead of trying to be well known or becoming popular with everyone, try to develop a close bond with 2 or 3 friends who you really have good chemistry with, because they will actually stand up for you and help you when times get rough. They don't need to be popular. If you can find these genuine friends, they will appreciate you for the real you, and that type of friendship is authentic and priceless. Because nowadays, real friendships are so rare. Because everyone is trying to show everyone how they have this perfect life with everything they could ask for. Being popular won't fix the loneliness or the internal void within you. But if you can develop an authentic friendship where both of you appreciate each other for the real version of you guys without putting up an act, then you are winning in life, my brother. So don't brush off someone just because of their status or popularity. Instead, look for qualities and traits they have and who they are as a person. Ask yourself, are they a kind person? Are they good-hearted and loyal? If they are this type of person that puts down other people to gain social status, then you should probably avoid them for the better because they're not genuine and it's not going to be a friendship that's gonna last very long. And here's the truth. A person that tries to be friends with everyone has no friends because they aren't being genuine. Having one or two very close friends will help you so much in the long term. It will help you more than having 100 friends that really do not care about you. Now, I'm not saying all the popular kids are being fake. I'm not hating all the popular kids just because I wasn't popular myself. In fact, if you are popular for being a genuinely honest and a good-hearted person, then I highly respect you for it. Keep it up. But I'm talking about the ones that put others down or fake their personality and the way they act just to look cool in front of everyone. That type of popularity you should not be pursuing. Because if you keep changing your personality just to fit in with people, then eventually you will forget who you are. You will not recognize what you truly want in a friendship because you changed the way you act just to get validation from some people. You should never change who you are as a person. You cannot make everyone happy, and that's the truth. It isn't your job to entertain and make everyone happy or make everyone become your friend. Because not everyone will like you and it's okay, you need to accept that. And maybe the popular kids won't even like you, but that's okay because everyone is born unique. Since you were born unique, why would you try to become a copy just like one of the popular kids? So if you weren't popular in high school, then it shouldn't be something that you should be stressing about at all. Instead, focus on being a good person and becoming a great genuine friend to other people. And don't change your core values or become badly influenced just to fit in with people. You don't need to fit in with everyone. You just need to fit in with people who have the same goals, the same morals, and the same view on life as you do. So if you're not popular, then it's completely okay to not be popular. You need to be content with appreciating yourself and the core values you have because that is what makes you special. You do not want to lose those. Being popular is cool, bro, but being a genuine person, that's even cooler. More people will respect you in the long term and you will develop actual friendships that you genuinely enjoy. And you will be much happier if you try to stop becoming popular by chasing people's validation. Because you already are enough. I'm telling you, you are already enough and keep it up. Now you don't need to subscribe and you don't need to like the video. I just want you to be happy and be content with who you are as a person. And if you need any more advice, you can go over to my channel and watch more videos because I make more life advice and it's going to help you a lot in the long term. So thank you so much for watching this video and I hope everything becomes better on your side because it will.